Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can either enable or disable OneDrive on Windows 11, so let's get right into it. OneDrive is basically just Microsoft's own cloud storage, where you can store your files online so that you can either access them from different devices, or just to make a backup of your system or your files online so that you can recover it at a later date or maybe on a new device, and so on and so forth. Pretty much just things that you use a cloud storage for. Now, I am using this article by 11 Forum simply because it's simpler for me to explain since I've never done this. And I'm using Windows 10. It should be the same for Windows 10 and Windows 11, by the way, but still, I'll just stick to this article. And yeah, I'll show you how. There are two options to do. One is just editing it in the local group policy editor, which in my opinion, is a bit more complicated, or you can just use a registry file and just edit it by that. Now, what you want to do first is decide what you want to do, either enable it or disable it, obviously. And then depending on that, you'll choose either the first registry file or the second registry file. This is the code that goes into the registry file for enabling it, and this is what you use for disabling it. What you want to do is just save it and create it on your desktop. Double click and run the file, and then just click run, yes, and OK to approve the merge. Sign out and sign in or restart the computer, and that would be applied. And once you do, everything will be just as advertised, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.